Good morning, you don't know. It's Brandon, and we're here getting ready. Skate park, early sesh. Got my coffee, got my water. Let's do this. It's crazy. Got the boards on the roof just in case, but it's flat, 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 flat. But yeah, sometimes gearing up makes you look like the cook on the park, but who the hell cares? You know, like, look like the cook, but walk home all good and dandy with no sprained wrist, bruised elbow, bursitis on your knee. Yeah, talking from experience, I'm learning on that one all day, every day. So yeah, elbow pads, knee pads, wrist guards, get it. And the park actually provides it, so yeah, link them. Looks like we got the park to ourselves. It's a solo sesh. Park to ourselves. Vibe. Let's do it. Hi guys, so kind of drenched, but been a good morning. Have a little run that me I try and make, so enjoy. So I used to be terrified of this dropping. Yeah, but it's actually not that hard now, because I've found this guy on YouTube named Brill, and I got some advice from a couple of the skaters here like Blake and a couple of the man them, you see me? So I'm gonna do the dropping. So I believe if you progress on something too fast, too quick, too easily, step up to the next level, which went a little bit higher than the dropping over there. So we're gonna try this one. Same form, same practice, reach for the nose. Yeah. You. Alright guys, well, that was a vibe. I'm drenched. I think it's time to wrap it up. Park to myself. All in the morning. Early morning. Yeah. So, big up.